खुलुमबाय आंनि बड' जेडि चेनेलाव नोंथांमोन बयखौबो। मैयानि हरनि समाव दिप्राय सांमान्दानि रबजन ब्रह्म होननाय लाइमोनखौ पुलिसआ हमनानै लांदोंमोन। नाथाय बिथांखौ मैया हगारफिनसिगोन होनना गामिनि रायजो राजाफोरा फोरमायदों। बे जेंनानि बागै रायजोनिफ्राय माखासे बाथ्राया सोराङाव फैदों दि रबजन ब्रह्मनि मबाइलजों रोमै मुंनि सासे सेंग्राया दानि गोदान आफादजों मबाइलाव फन हरना बाथ्रा रायज्लायहरदोंमोन। बेखौ नोजोर होनानै पुलिसआ नागिरना मोनैयाव गामिनि रायजो राजाफोरा रोमै मुंनि सासे सेंग्राखौ हमनानै पुलिसनि सेराव सारेन्डार जाहैयो होनना गामिनि रायजो राजाफोरा फोरमायो। मैयानि समाव उदालगुरि जिल्लानि लाइमोनफोरा मानगोनां डिपुटि कमिशनार निसिम जोंसार बसुमतारी आरो जनक कुमार ब्रह्मनि थार बिजिरनाय नागिरना गांसे लाइजाम लिरहरो। बे लाइजामाव मा लिरनाय दं खोनासं।
To Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Home Minister of India, North Block India, and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dispur, Guwahati, through the Deputy Commissioner of Udalguri District, Udalguri, submitted by all Udalguri District youths, PTC Assam, on demand of the fake encounter of two people in Kokrazar for proper justice and the safeguard of Bodo youths, dated Udalguri, the 1st September 2021. Most respect, sir. With the undersigned for and behalf of the all Bodo youths Udalguri would like to extend our warm greetings and salutation on this day, the 1st of September 2021. We wish you and your family good health in this ongoing pandemic situation. As we all know that the Bodo Peace Accord to 2020 was signed in between the Government of India, Government of Assam, the National Democratic Front of Bodoland, ABSU UBPO, under the guidance of Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Home Minister of India, on the date of 27 January 2020. This accord was then met with utmost sincerity and gladness of the Bodo people, with high hopes of lasting peace in the Bodo heartland. Through this memorandum, we wish bring your attention to the recent incident of two people being gunned down in a fake encounter by the state police. It should be noted that on September 17, two erstwhile members of a militant outfit, namely Janak Brahmo and Jangsar Brahmo, who had made a road accident, were picked up by the police and taken to Lirhordwng police station of Kokrazar district. Their family members were contacted and told that they were well and alive with minor injuries. However, later that night, the family was again informed that they were being taken in the Kokrazar police station. Following this, the next morning they were reported to have been killed. The family of the deceased have claimed that this is just another instance of a fake encounter. This incident of fake encounter has shaken the people of Assam as well as Bodo youths. While the state has the right to take recourse to legitimate violence, any incident of the use of illegitimate violence must be probed and the culprits be brought to justice. Moreover, the incident has shaken the confidence of the people in the state agencies, and immediate steps must be taken to restore their confidence in the state agencies and machinery. In this regard, we make the following demands. A judicial investigation into the incident must be conducted. The perpetrators should be brought to justice. Adequate compensation and legal help should be provided to the family members of the deceased. Bodo youth should be safe. We do sincerely hope your goodwill would surely take prompt initiative with a view to fulfilling the above demands for the further prevailing peace in Bodoland. Yours faithful for and behalf of all Bodoland youths, Udalguri. Sibi Deimari, Miniseran Deimari, Litik Masahari, Haneswar Brahmo, Manik Brahmo, Vilki Busumutari, Himanshu Swargari, Jaikang Deimari, Dauga Busumutari, Beauty Deimari, Ziri Baglari, Naisha Boro.